Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This video has been requested multiple times, so let's get into it. Right now I'm spraying free spray on my wig cap, and I'm gonna do this about 3 times, and I'm going to blow dry the free spray. Now I'm going to cut the wig cap all around my edges and make sure it's all flat and nothing sticking up and flying away. Here I glued down any wig cap that was lifting up with the Ghost Bond glue, and I blow dried it. Now I'm applying makeup, my Fit Me makeup, drugstore makeup. My shade is 312. I'm gonna apply it all over my wig cap, just behind the ear. That's how far I go. Let's get into the hair though. I got this hair from FT.UEENLY hair on ALIEXPRESS. This is my second time ordering this hair, and honestly I love this hair. Right now I'm putting mousse on the frontal to push back any flyaways so it could be easier to install the wig. So right now I'm customizing it to my head to see how it fits and where I want it to sit. Then after that, I'm going to take the Ghost Bond glue and I'm going to take a thick layer of the Ghost Bond glue and rub it on my half of my forehead and on the wig cap. Now I'm going to cut the ear tab so my ear could feel, you know, comfortable while this wig is on my head. And yeah. I cut the lace into three sides, so now it's easier to, you know, get closer to the scalp instead of using one big old bolt cut. So now I'm cutting in a zigzag type shape so it can look actually like real scalp instead of cutting in a straight line. And yeah. Now I'm pulling out some hairs from the front of the frontal and swooping them into baby hairs. I use mousse. I don't use gel. I recommend using mousse because once the mousse, wears off, the hair is like not packed with glue, and your frontal is not as sticky and gooey and crusty from the gel. So I take the mousse and swipe. You feel me? Now I put my silk edge layer on. I love this thing. I got it from Lux Life Hair Co. I'll put their link in the description box. Shout out to Mari. This junk, it works magic. So now I'm spraying heat protectant on my hair and putting a hot comb to it to flatten the hair out. Alrighty, that's the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. Comment for more ideas. Give me some ideas in the comments, and everything that I used in this video will be in the description box. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat to keep updated with my life. Alright, bye.